Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to the YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss on the topic classification of lipids. Simple lipids. A simple lipid is a fatty acid ester having various alcohols with no other group. For example, fats and waxes. Triacyl glycerols, widely known as triglycerides for neutral fats. These compounds are the esters of glycerol and fatty acids. The triglycerides containing the same fatty acids in all three ester positions are called simple triglycerides. The triglycerides contain more than one fatty acid at its three positions, which are called mixed triglycerides. Triacyl glycerol is essential for providing energy to body. Triglycerides are a vehicle of energy storage, primarily in adipose tissue. Waxes. Wax is formed as a result of esterification of fatty acids with a monohydric alcohol of higher molecular weight. Waxes are found in a wide variety of organisms. For example, wax serves as a protective coating on the surface of animals and plants and also reduces water loss in tropical plants. Compound lipids. Compound lipids are fatty acid esters with alcohols and contain additional groups. The fatty acid components of these lipids make hydrophobic tails, and the alcohol moiety along with additional group constitutes hydrophilic head. Such a structure is known as amphiphasic molecules. Common example of compounds lipid include phospholipids and steroids. Phospholipids are amphiphasic molecules made up of two hydrophobic fatty acid tails and a hydrophilic phosphate group head. Phospholipids are primarily found in cell membranes. These compounds are composed of fatty acid chains attached to a glycerol backbone, glycerophospholipids, or sphingosine based backbone, sphingospholipids. A modified phosphate group occupies the third carbon of glycerol in glycerophospholipids. A phospholipid is defined by the kind of modifier attached to the phosphate group. The most common are choline, phosphofatidylcholine, and serine, phosphofatidylserine. Similarly, in the case of sphingolipids, when the head group contains only a hydrogen atom, it is called ceramide. Many a time, the head group in sphingolipids can be phosphocholine, yielding a sphingomyelin. In sphingolipids, the fatty acids chain is attached to the sphingosine backbone via amide linkage instead of ester linkage. Phospholipids do not spontaneously mix with water. Instead, they acquire a spear-shaped structure known as micelle. Steroids. Steroids are distinct from other lipids in having a peculiar four-fused ring structure. However, like all the other types of lipids discussed so far, steroids are hydrophobic in nature and insoluble in water. In a cell, steroid acts as a receptor ligands and help to control the metabolism. Cholesterol is the most common derivative of steroids. Synthesized primarily by the liver, cholesterol is the key precursor of all the steroid hormones, including testosterone and estradiol. Besides, cholesterol is also found in the plasma membrane of most eukaryotes, where it provides rigidity. Common examples of steroids found in plants are phytosterols and stigmasterols, which regulate membrane fluidity and permeability. Ergosterol is an important precursor of vitamin D and is typically found in fungi. If you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe. Thank you.